Welcome to the LG Customer Support Channel. Properly maintaining your LG dishwasher is important for best washing performance. In this video, we will give you a few tips and tricks to help maximize your dishwasher's performance. It is recommended that you periodically check and care for the spray arms, the filters, and, if necessary, the interior and exterior of your dishwasher. Regular maintenance can prevent any buildup from occurring in the filters and the drains. Depending on your usage, please use the recommended filter cleaning chart located in your dishwasher user manual to determine how often you should clean your filter. If cleaning performance begins to decrease, you may need to clean the filter more often than recommended depending on your usage. Please remember, filters should be cleaned using non-abrasive materials and warm running water. For hard-to-remove soil, use a soft brush. When loading your dishwasher, double-check to make sure that all utensils are located inside of the bins and not protruding outward to the edges of your dishwasher. This may cause leaks and performance issues if the utensils are caught in the door while your cycle is running. Before you begin your dishwasher cycle, run hot water in your sink for a couple of minutes to ensure a higher water temperature for your dishwasher. For best performance, the recommended water temperature for your dishwasher is 120 degrees Fahrenheit. To maintain the interior or exterior of your LG dishwasher, use a damp cloth or sponge to clean if necessary. Please note that a cloudy film may form on the surface of the stainless steel tubs when using hard water. To remove hard water buildup in the tub, remove all dishes, silverware, and the silverware holder from your dishwasher. Only the racks should remain in your dishwasher. Fill a measuring cup with white vinegar, approximately 14 to 17 ounces, and place the measuring cup in the lower rack. Do not use detergent. Run a normal cycle and select extra rinse and hot rinse, then close the door. Make sure that you let the dishwasher complete the entire cycle. This cleaning method should be done as needed. As a final tip, if you are experiencing unwanted odors in your dishwasher, operate the quick cycle with detergent without loading any dishes. This should help to eliminate any odors. To see more videos about this product, visit us at our YouTube page or at our website, lg.com.